Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is just going to be a quick one. It's basically going to be going through putting a wire tree onto a pendant. Same as last week's video. If you haven't seen that video, please go and check that one out. I'll leave a link in the description. But this time we're going to put some beads onto the leaves. So this video is just going to be a short one, just to basically show you how to put the beads on and what to do with it. So I've already made my tree. And how it's going to look. As I said, go and watch the other video to show you how to do that. You can get beads from any craft store, so go and see what you like, what your preference is. You won't need as much wire as you did with the first tree because you're not going to be doing the leaves, so don't worry about how much you do, adjust as necessary. For this one I use 60cm strips, 12 strips of those. But really I could have probably done a lot less than that because I've got quite a lot of wire left over here which I'm not going to need. So you get your bead and you just thread them on to your wire. For this one I've used 7 of these beads because they're quite big, but if you're using small beads you might want to use a few more. After this I'll push it up a little bit because you want a little bit of space at the bottom in order to bend it round. So you want one, maybe ideally have an odd number so you can have 1 at the top, and then make them even, holding the 2 wires as close together as you can and just twisting those 2 together like so. And then you've got 1 wire there, and then you can just adjust however you like in regards to how you want it to look. And then just do the same with all the rest of your wires until completion, and you should have something that looks like this.